Hey guys, it's me Daniel. Today this video is about some tips and tricks that are very useful, and then this video you're going to have to memorize because this video will make it super easy to play guitar. So the first one is, it's obvious, keep your guitar tuned and know your chords. So check out my video on how to tune guitar and the chord video, so because that will come in handy for this video. So I'm not sure if I did this in my tuning video for the guitar, but there is another way to tune your guitar without anything, only your guitar and your hand. So the first thing that you're gonna want to do is make sure lowest E string is tuned, because it doesn't matter if these 5 are all out of tune. It doesn't matter, because this is going to be the one that needs to be tuned already. So first thing you're going to want to do is make sure E string's tuned. Then now go 5 frets down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pluck it. Where does that sound familiar? See? Because if this string doesn't sound tuned, then you better tune the pegs. Next one with this string. Good. Why doesn't this sound like this? And my guitar isn't out of tune. You're just going to want to bring it 1 fret lower than this. See, it's in tune now. So that's one tip and trick that you have to have in mind. If you want to play louder, then get this amp. So check out my video on that. But also, what will change everything is having a strap, because you can stand up and play rather than just having to sit down. And it's kind of harder, but it's easier if you want to move around. But it's just your preference. That's just my opinion. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell below. Bye!